think I figured out why my mic wasn't working. The mic, and I have another video prior to this one that I filmed. Hopefully I can cut it out because I haven't really finished editing it up yet. So, but I think I figured out why it was working. The cord that I have for it is like a cell phone cord. It's a Rode cell phone cord, and I was plugging it up to the media mod for the GoPro, but you have to use the, like, what is it, 3.5 connection or whatever. So I think that's why my mic was messing up, but I got it working. But in a couple of other videos, like, yeah now. Ooh, let me show you guys the lip that fell off. Yep, my CS style lip fell off. This is about, like, what, the third one. But listen, it feels good to be like out here and somebody did me a solid and left me a cone that I could go around. So I was just getting a couple of little practice laps in. Let me put you guys on the inside and let's go around some more. Someone left me I'm so glad I just got my mic working. We're gonna start off in, like, first, switch it to second. And like I said before, like the last video, I said I was doing too much. It doesn't take that much. Pass that one up. Let's go again. Doesn't take that much. Yes, we made it, boys. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? We made it. Yes, we made it. Wider circles, tighter circles. Hit that one in third. I was messing this up. Let's go, boys. Let's go. And that's pretty much
what we're gonna be doing for like the remainder of this video. I'm just gonna let the car cool down for a bit. We'll get the drone up and then we'll continue. So yeah, as you guys can see, I'm slowly making changes to the vehicle. It's gonna become like just a pure Batmobile, but we need to get like 255s in the front because we had this on the 335, so they are 235s in the front. 265 in the rear is fine. We just got to get some low and take care of this right here. Whoever added that cone, thank you. We're gonna put it on autopilot. Look at how that mineral gray hits in the sun. It's wild. Let me clean this off really quick. All right, so I think what I was doing at one point was it's very easy to it's very easy to hit the throttle. Like you won't even feel it, but it's very easy. It's so easy to mash the throttle and give it more power than you need. So you gotta kind of keep on gauging and then hitting that power point as you go around. And that was one of the main things that I wanted to work on, like feeling the pedal and getting used to how it, like what throttle position you should be at. But other than that, I think that about wraps it up. Let's go grab ourselves something to eat. Okay, we are back on the road. So I found this place called Krispy, Krispy Pizza. So that's where we're heading next. You guys get to see all that oily, cheesy goodness. So I stuff my face. All right.
You're in line?
Alright, so you guys like I'm still, you haven't seen me work cool, but I'm still up to date. I still got the great
Really doing the food thing, Listen, as soon as the doors open, like it got crowded really quick.
They're good. They're good, I can't complain.
New York is just gotta get
Good, after I finish, time to head home, boy. That's why he was like, oh shit! Thank you so much. But listen, man, the place is packed. As soon as it was like 10:56, people started like piling in there, and the pizza is like so good. As you can see, you guys don't really see me dress up that much, but I still wore that gray hoodie underneath it all. The gray hoodie reveals. All right, so
turn left.
we saw the and I'm just letting you guys know I'm driving through some chaotic streets, so that's why I'm not talking that well. But yes, Krispy is exactly what it is. The pizza is crispy and hot. So if you're around, I'm telling you right now, that is like the best pizza. Look at this. That is like the best. That is like the best pizza here, man. I'm gonna end the video here, unless you guys can point me to another place.
Bear left onto I-278 West toward Verrazano Business Route.
Unless you guys
In a
can.
half a mile, bear left onto I-278 toward Upper Level.
Unless you guys can recommend something else in the comments. And I'll see you guys in the next one.